Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching Thursday Threads. So I got into my stash, and I found this jelly roll that I had gotten years ago from Big Lots, believe it or not. And that must have been 8-9 years ago. $7.50. That was pretty cool. Only 24 pieces, but that's okay, especially for what I'm doing. So we did a disappearing fence rail last time, and I want to do another one. So I have made 2 different fence rails from the same jelly roll. Okay? And then I'm going to cut them equally. So they're measuring at 8.5 inches, which is perfect because that's what they should be. And I'm going to cut 8.5 inch squares from my fence rail. Alright, so I have cut 8.5 inch squares out of my fence rail. Now I've done this pattern before. It's called the double diamond slice, but I figured right now I'm doing a lot of disappearing stuff. So I wanted to include it in here, so I'm redoing it. So I'm going to take one of my pieces going horizontally, one of my pieces going vertically, and I'm going to put one on top of the other. I'll even it up, and then I'm going to sew all the way around the edges. And then we're going to cut it up and we're going to see what we get. It's really neat. So I've taken my 2 pieces of the fence rail. I've sewn all the way around, corner to corner here. Now I'm going to cut it corner to corner and corner to corner. This is one when I'd made it before. My husband had come downstairs, you know, Crazy Dave, and he just said, wow, which, you know, made me feel really good. So this one does have a wow factor. I love starting with something very simple, like the fence rail, a 4-patch, a 9-patch, and suddenly getting something that looks so complicated. I'm sorry, I can do the 4 patches and the 9 patches all day long. I can do strips all day long. No thinking is required. Now let's see here. We can do that. Or that. Let's see. And now you have a block that looks difficult, but isn't. Let's see here. Let's do that one. And that one. Ta-da! And I was told this was called the double diamond diagonal slice. Double diagonal diamond slice. But this is definitely a disappearing fence rail, as you can't see the fence rail in this anymore. Not really. I mean, a little bit there, but you know, it's all cut off. And then you can arrange these in so many different ways. So this could be a lot of fun. Now, I chose to do with 8 different fabrics. You might want to do it with just 4. Either way, this is going to look so different from what you started with. And that's what I like. If you want to have a more thorough demonstration, check out one of the old video of the double diamond diagonal slice. And this concludes another disappearing patch. Disappearing quilt patch. And I do have another one, so make sure you come back for the next Thursday Threads and check out another disappearing quilt patch. I hope you're having a great day, a fabulous weekend, and a wonderful new year. Hope to see you back here. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and click the bell so you're notified. Most importantly, don't forget to come back. I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.